In order to access our Gameland maps and information on dove fields, please go to our website at ncwildlife.org. Go to the hunting tab at the top of the page. Go to where to hunt and shoot. Our Gameland maps link will be on the right-hand side. Click on the interactive Gameland map in the middle of the page. From here, you can scroll to any Gameland that you're interested in hunting, or go to the tab in the top left-hand corner and select a Gameland or dove field. For today, we'll use R. Wayne Bailey Caswell Gameland. When zooming in, you'll see pink polygons. Those pink polygons are our dove fields that are planted this season. Click on any polygon and it will display the total acreage of the field as well as the crops that are planted. In this case, it is a 33.5 acre field planted with millet, corn, buckwheat, and wheat. This information is updated annually and is a great resource in doing your scouting for any public land dove hunt. We wish you the best of luck this dove season.